Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss the most important and frequently asked question in Android app development, Java or Kotlin. Java has been a long-standing and widely used language for Android app development. It offers maturity. Java has a well-established presence in Android ecosystem with numerous libraries, tools, and large community of developers. Java code compiles to bytecode that is optimized for Java Virtual Machine (JVM). This can result in good app performance. Java can be used for a wide range of Android application types, for simple mobile apps to complex enterprise-level solutions. Kotlin is a modern programming language that has gained significant popularity in the Android development community. It brings several advantages. Kotlin is known for its concise and expressive syntax, reducing boilerplate code and making code more readable. Kotlin provides built-in null safety features, helping to prevent common runtime crashes by catching null pointer exceptions at compile time. Kotlin introduces modern language features such as extension functions, lambda expressions, and coroutines, improving developer productivity and code quality. Here's a comparison of various language features between Java and Kotlin. Java has a more verbose and ceremony-heavy syntax. It often requires more boilerplate code, especially for tasks like variable declaration, getters, setters, and anonymous classes. Kotlin is known for its concise and expressive syntax. It significantly reduces boilerplate code and makes the code more readable. For example, in Kotlin, you don't need to declare getters and setters explicitly. Java doesn't have built-in null pointer safety features. You can assign null to any reference, which can lead to null pointer exceptions during runtime. Kotlin provides native null safety features. You must explicitly declare whether a variable can be nullable or not using the exclamation mark or the question mark operators. This helps catch null pointer exceptions at compile time, reducing the risk of crashes. Java introduced lambda expressions in Java 8, but the syntax can be a bit verbose. Lambdas are often used with functional interfaces with a single abstract method or anonymous inner classes. Kotlin has more concise lambda expressions. It supports lambda expressions and higher order functions, making it easier to work with functional programming constructs. Java doesn't have native support for coroutines. Achieving asynchronous and non-blocking behavior often requires using libraries like RxJava or implementing complex callback mechanisms. Kotlin has built-in support for coroutines. Coroutines provide a more straightforward way to write asynchronous, non-blocking code, making it easier to handle tasks like network requests and concurrent operations. In summary, Kotlin generally offers more modern and concise language features compared to Java. It excels in null safety, extension functions, lambda expressions, and coroutines, making it a preferred choice for many Android developers. However, Java still has a significant presence in the Android ecosystem, and it's worth considering the specific requirements and constraints of your project when choosing between the two languages. Also, choosing between Java or Kotlin depends on your personal preferences. My advice to you is to start with Java, then shifting to Kotlin in order to understand all concepts in very deep details. So my last advice to you is to start with Java, then shift to Kotlin.